Yeah, so when the chromatography data system came to market, they were basically tools to measure a chromatographic signal and quantify some compounds. Nowadays, this is completely changed. Chromatography data systems are now used for many different tasks. They are basically the backbone of the chromatography laboratory workflow. So customers are using the chromatography data system to walk through the different tasks that they have to go every day. But they are also used as a repository of data. And search tool, so all the data, all the information that is acquired and produced in the chromatography lab is stored in the database of the chromatography data system, and as such, we can take advantage of the search tools that the chromatography data system has. All of these, for some customers that are working in a regulated environment, has to be done under 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. So the chromatography data system provide support and facilitate customers to be compliant in their workflow. But ultimately, the chromatography data systems are used to produce final product certification in quality control labs. So over time, the reporting capabilities of a chromatography data system has evolved to accommodate the need of specific company, so customization of the reporting capability has become very important. So SimplicityChrom CDS software is probably the last software, CDS software, that came out in the market. As such, when we designed the software, we decided to use the latest iconography. So all the symbols, the different icons that we are using are basically what customers are using every day in mobile devices. So there is no really a learning curve to understand the philosophy of the software and what these symbols and these icons are. But the fundamental structure of SimplicityChrom CDS software is workflow-based. SimplicityChrom CDS software is designed to walk customer through the analytical workflow. So every step of the analytical workflow is basically a software environment. Within this environment, customer doesn't need to look for functions. So there is no menus in this environment. It's just that the information is exposed to customer and it's available at a glance. So customer doesn't need to look for, everything is right in front of the customer. This is pretty much what we have today in our mobile device. So because we were designing this user interface, we decided also to expand the use of SimplicityChrom CDS software to mobile devices. So all the analytical workflow that is run by customer, for example, for gas chromatography, can be available on a mobile device. So customers can check the status of a run, can set up methods on sequences on a mobile device if they are far away. So on top of the functions that are workflow related, we also develop some additional capabilities to maximize the efficiency of the software and also to minimize cost of operation. So through the software, the customer is capable to manage the use of the gas and minimize the usage of the gas so that it can minimize cost of operation. And at the same time, we develop some capability in the software to manage the power consumption. We know that more and more, especially in gas chromatography, customers are looking to reduce the cost of power, especially in some part of the world. And so the software is facilitating this approach and in the end is helping to deliver sustainability. So using a modern software like a SimplicityChrom CDS software allows the customer to improve the efficiency of their laboratory. Basically, we can minimize the training time for new users. We can also optimize the operation cost, and then we can expedite basically the data to result, the data to revenue time frame. A modern chromatography data system is not just a tool for measuring a chromatographic signal, but it's a way to make chromatography accessible to everyone.